Last year, I started this journey to travel around this country and proceed to the entire Africa, where I'm using my bike to explore all the parts of this country. Follow me, subscribe to my channel. Let's do this. Hello everyone, my name is Nova Travels, a traveler from Uganda. I have set out on an epic cycling journey around Africa, starting with the East African countries all the way to the rest of Africa. Join me on my exploration journey where I document my experience through amazing landscapes, tackling challenges, and all the surprises along the way. Subscribe and hop on for this adventurous ride. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming to check on me. Keep coming and keep watching more videos, keep sharing and keep liking. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I'm arriving at this unknown location with the stranger I found here. I'm going to sleep at this house. Good morning, guys. I've just woken up. I ended up sleeping here. My plan was to camp outside. My plan was to pitch a tent outside here, but this guy who works here offered me help and I slept in his house. This is my bike. These are my bags. You can see the bike here. This is where I slept. It's now early in the morning and it's drizzling outside. This is the environment outside. The house looks nice. Alright, I'm getting ready to park. You can see all my bags are here. Bike is here. I'm going to park everything on it and I hit the road. I still have a lot of kilometers to face. So let me get ready and see you on the road. All these are farmlands going beyond in the background there. Very huge, as you can see from here.
You can ride kilometers and kilometers of banana plantations in this area. All these bananas.
Bananas, bean gardens, bananas farms. That's only what you can see around here. The weather is so bright out here. The sun is up. The clouds are up in the sky, white in color, and the blue sky. This environment is so nice. Let's do this, guys. Let's explore this place. And I have the road to myself with these motorbike riders only, just enjoying the vibe with my bike.
This is an uphill. It's a tough one. Thank you for always coming back to this channel, and to my returning subscribers, keep coming, keep sharing, and keep liking the videos. Right now I am using that road, this Maram road, off the main road, which is not also far away. The place is so quiet, always you hear the sound of birds in the background.